You abusan for mamuni na akwaba eba uti TV so nemu hwen wa ha. Ai ne yaba uti region. Uti region. Kruba efe no amanya. Ai semonti amanya. Tapa amanya. Yes, tapa amanya. Wa wunim tapa amanya. No tonamo bra na behwe ha. Aha nso sawo Biakuye district. Ofi hanoma na korara sa na eto ato sa eko na mene na mwana bi hu papa bi na papa no sa wonam na obi ka che se asimasini anasa oni a onjini nti bi so matete bi na me so ne metu anamo aba tapa amanya ha ba hwere chi kwan na nkomo bi wo ho a wo se menidi a wo so hwame a wo so betin ne ma bi ase a na mbabisa sa questions na iden amanti se buhu ye wa ha ne yewo tapa amanya na abanti maybe se nedin na nkobono ya start abanti de fro say
me pacho ye frame Francis Yaw
Boakye
na edin a ye frame ofie ana edin a mabofo e de ma me Yaw Boakye
na Francis Afari
on say ko school I say throw the me feeding the Francis de Yaw Boakye by me throw Francis Yaw Afari.
Okay nti obia dru tapa amanya ha obo Yaw Asare ana Francis Asare na obia be hu
Afari obo edin Francis Yaw Afari de e be din pass o be hu
adentia
e be din gise bia obi a oben me and I be say oh okay I can say
abusa fa mutie de
na wa men edin popular power hapa K.Monsi ana King Kobra
what am be say oba because maybe me see fikro mo am bo within but na me hu but me can Kobra no pe no be oh Kobra there yidi pa I don't hear from Kobra
asemo chairman edin Kobra no I think 27 years ago I was school SS also na me slim and I'm saying wa so mo humi almost say we are already o say Kobra no and at 26 27 years ago Adam so say be in there my ya say nko so tibi nko da
na also ukasa na was when you school na school no dey said no e ma okay na office school birth you know wofo ti say ye flow Kobra no asama na mka kire
anyom say edi Kobra no ye wo Kobra ye owo Kobra no me de Kobra
nti no bisa sa na kan
Kobra nti ye Kobra
mati ase na Kobra o start school we na abramom te sen
school ni there make I say ye share ase kakra wo tapa amanya RC primary school ana ye be fire call outside ana just back somewhere around 89 and I me beto so e wo ANT 12 Accra Newtown and here class 4 to class 6 and I me call JHS e wo Bavana K1 Kutubabi me we no and I me call senior high e Benkum secondary school late equipem yeah
if you hold on and now
so no me call other courses external courses some in the UK ebisu Ghana yeah
me that's it nti no obodim say K.Monsi e na K.Monsi so e beta odi ho
K.Monsi de me grandfather din me papa e friend openi Kofi Dache ni nua one father one mother and friend openi Kwame Monsi nti Kwame Monsi and I'm trying to short I K.Monsi
oh okay
me grandfather din
na wasa fatu udin so okay me ba nso ma say mante ne mabawa e okrom ha no ubosadina kinyomu ma K.Monsi Kobra K.Monsi what is a dent na ma krom ha no obia edi wachi anase obia pa wasem sa then na ye mom
juma me yewa somewhere 2005 me ba krom as a young boy. I was in my 20s. Baby juma the matter from 205 sa BC na meti until I've lived with the community. They know me, they know who I am. Juma me yewa into just say yebo me the Kobra K.Monsi just the love and the support I made them grow into na abasa any juma ma create our community nim
maybe say juma ben wa create community ma mrante ne ma banso na bia enunti ne unamba bia obi asi
okay say the medical kan na 205 na me buy na me be pure water company first emu an yede nsa ebeka ho efre ne K.Monsi bitters emu an yede the nsa so enim so beka ho efre ne K.Monsi herbal mixture nti nyuma ma bi okrom ha no sachet water bottle water and K.Monsi bitters and K.Monsi herbal mixture
o kan sachet water no one modin no e fe
say take cool yeah from oba oti mantem ho bia ko ye district bando ho KJB damba de oba no teku ana
no bia no okay any maybe say o kasa na o kan K.Monsi bitters no betima ka ho abakwasam anase obetimi because nyese wonya nyiyira na hu adura wo mde because me bae no manya akwanya akọ factory ho akọhu ndua ne dubura wode eye se bre men kan se yansa aduro yes aduro efo na wonya sa nimdie we ma wode be yes K.Monsi we
okay me that's a long story so I will start from Tama, they didn't be pay Tapamania. Some shall say free that angle now. I think we will get to understand everything. Say the medical kind, you know. As a young boy, my real senior higher, my other courses, professional courses, I may work cry, may pay Juma ye. Me shall cry so many years. Near my shadow and quay work crowds, and I'm so no. My members try me, mammy, a vote region, Tapamania. Then voter region. The members try mammy. It was around Easter. Maybe I na say it starts with April. Yeah. April is a dry season ho. Nti na enso wan edin pure water 205 ho baby. And so wan edin. Nti even pure water kra obenya bia no mokra na heading. Ana am say yen twa na car be free ho yaba. Ana am say the whole Biako here district. Omo ni pure water company bi am say there be. Ji say car ni free ho yaba. Na yaba once a week. Ana am say
na sa amanso kra so e.
Ji say o top penny be anom no sa it na mencha de yo the third day and I mean say car no apia eba e no cry amanfo a rush car no ye no omo na park here apana so ni na we say me dey 10 20 say they've bought everything in the car and I say wow you saw omo ma munya piota no say there be ti ho na me conceive such water idea no business na to me say okay when I go back to Accra after Easter no me kwa Accra me bisa what it takes to set up a pure water factory. Until after it, and I went back to Accra. Maybe say companies or my insurance pure water and saying how is it done? What machinery will you need to set up? What goes into it? To me, encourage me and I'm me. At that time, Nasika, boy, there's no way I could raise that amount of money. To me, someone say and apart from machine, is there any way bia obetimi there? I'm saying no. There is no way you can produce such water without buying those equipment. You know? And I say, wow. So that the idea was there, but because I mean to me, you know, made it so aside kakra na me dey make us hustle, me me up and down, make me up and kakra. When I make up here attention no now guys be a pure water, but the machine they were using was Ghana made. Na me say machine we send am so omo yebo testing na me say ne boy saying omo kan na cost ni far lower than the imported ones na every China eba no, but local one no speed no e wo form enti me ntwa bebre compared to the foreign one. No. And I say, yeah, it's cool. Once I try to inquire, why not?
Start
with it. That time when I came in here, that time it was less than 2,000 Ghana cedi. So I started doing my normal rounds, savings, kakra, my saving kakra, and I mean, that amount. And I'm a bar. Oti. Timeba no guy back one or my factory. I came with him. So I'm able to set it up. You buy and you be one assembly man. No. A small room be no more than my
Whatever side.
A small room be no more than mine. But guess what? You referee say utop and be all the kind of because of light.
That time soon car.
I was so eager to come and work. So I didn't even consider say the car because supply. All I wanted to is to produce the water. I know so the town folks will come and buy from my end. Until many can buy after a week, you set it up. BBA a day and I'm between Queen's pure water. Then
Queen's pure water.
Pure water. Now machine imported ones, foreign one, China there no. Say let's say $75 an hour. Local one we do. The whole day no. Which I bet $35.
$35. A manual. What don't say yan? What don't say?
Over by force. It's the whole day no. 35-40. Whilst the other one they charge $65-70 an hour. 20 wait. The whole day no. 35. You better set it up and you try first one. And you call your announcement to come and say, "Well, pay your time, bruh." But it was hard. Maybe can be a crew think. I don't know some as well. So,
meanwhile, then to say, "Na can't do sooner than everyone."
Can't you want to say, "We didn't soon about all right." So, one family your doorstep. But so, this camera about talk. Yeah, I'm for 3 months, and I got a chair. Me say, "Oh shit, bibi wa kraba." Okay, once I maybe. Oh shit, hustle na be
hustle na.
You na ba be remuna. Chairman, because can you what? So be 5 days ago, now then why am I feel no be giant so no. Ako tell me no pure water. Ebu ha no the pine kese na nkola omujare nkola omu no. Na kwa to be 5 no de ko 3 no de ko no almost so what that here. Nti Ghana dem jara me say no. And I mean say anko back to Accra me say no. My best crew remove for almost 6 months. Me join the Accra this year. My friends in the best streaming because I told them, I said, my baby,
to be a factory.
After 6 months, what's a Johnny Abba? And I said, no, I won't. It's a journey. The way you want to answer them quick, and my so crab here. What does here?
Kobra still there or
never hot. But so crab because I let pressure. Won't mean supply soon because Sky ni hot. We want to taxi be. Now the 3 biako mobile amount that thing this kind of background we say and not just what they chop money be crack and it obe one am say no obe me better 7 obe me better 8 now my friend boys be now on my swap no more they call and I'm say no let me buy a wheelbarrow. So I saved and I bought a wheelbarrow and I'm sure wheelbarrow no Queen's pure water. I don't know 8 Timmy Faber 8 9 10 pure water no it was 8 Ibu at 10, Ibu at 12. I'm about 12 factory. Now, my load on now, my boys and a pina. No, I'm the court. Only say, I put us your market is about to say, big market. Now, my was store about to say. One day, Tiana, I said, no. Me transfer to go, I just a man for Beton Sana. My banyas can store never on financial. I mean, go on and Menenka. I mean, pay per cadet, caravan be now, or me loadu, 50 be ye book. City now. Na makoyiwo shop na mama bi so ayede ben atena no so
aboto
good then also beti me income kakra ayede ben aba so I went to aboto ase na me ko mama so store na da ho me I use it ena me pay o cadet sata me no load car ni na area set ni 3 cedi 50 pesos set no 5% na to aboto ase di ma faka no ma chata car no and you back seat in so pack that caravan the yabu seat in ana ya load nso na gum good ti me ko yi wo ha mama obi eti ho ti me ton ha no so yɛ de bɛn ton ho ɛno so bo kakra na de income kakra so yɛ de bɛn ba eti me wo ha na me say no see I have enough water in Abuto ase also a big market center there are so many shops for them to come to my shop and buy I didn't say me nko omo ho ntro say I have the pure water so she said me da ben omo so I can pick 5 10 and supply so one market day I went to Abuto ase me grab pen and paper the me shop where madam me pure water also me grab me here bi o na patro say na me family o say me pay 10 bags I feel no na mo car no way na me say patro car no baba
e di beba
because obi ka so top your water so we say car this way uye free man abi go but who can be around also say we top your water na me say car no baba so so pay 10 no say the next shop me pay 15 8 9 ti me kwa me boys no so mama omo aswa na ye de aba ti me yes for like 4-5 months ebe nya customers be around na me say okay now se car na ba be fa nsuo no ewa amanya kwa Abuto ase aga caravan na de come me no se be chata it say me ka ko yi nsuo na gu Abuto ase no air shop ho no why don't I offload the water like anything I mean fa nsuo no en come omo directly ewo shops no mo ata say di me fa car na me fa car na me go yi si nsuo me fa nko shop bi mo na matana front because I know how many bags we detail matro di me kwa bi aje na mai 5 ha mai 4 mai 6 mai 5 na nsuo na san aka nim na matua car no ka no ko order no san ba na masa ba be fa car no ya load ya 10 5 15 20 na offer 50 bags car no ti me fa ya opeka
je wo kasa na je car na use no se abaye o car sisi won toye but na do adwuma
because set 35 cities now 3 cities 50 pesos now okojina scale number of rounds I mean nene be in a day no original scale cry onya rounds no so that driver no cry nothing ababa in the day because obi so open so na ya load na ya 15 20 na ya ton that fe nani be je ye me ho because I was like me sales no eba I don't know yeah for almost 1.5 years and I make could be a bank account Asobontin Rural Bank so I was saving small although most of the scanner cut tax in the but I was able to save a small amount of portion and I made save 2,800 28 million then after 1.5 years 2,800 e mo na me nya ne ntie se man bi wa Abuto ase or turn Hyundai Mighty na me say I thought it would be around 2,000 as 1,500 bibisa so I went to his place that in Pacho I just say what turn car no or say no cry 60 million that time 60 million
this ka ketu akra
na me say okay me wo 20 million wo and also it's so me say ka onje no ma me 3 months na me find I say debi onje ti mo na me hu say ne man and the wife and me me call the same church others here so I went to see my mom say panacho only man ni enko hu ma me no na en panacho mama me oni ku ni nkasa na mama me 3 months na me fa balance of 4,000 yede be emra so we went to see the woman and I said mat emra the next day oni ni ku nu be kasa ti eba de be si bia na obeka kire
sa tam na wonu se 2 months na waka no ubanya sa 4,000 no ana 40 million da kwaka ho
first of all say me the taxi na aya adwuma ma hu sika taxi ni je a month after like me cost sales na the me share na then I just say me team here de enya na me share the number of water so me the car na me the taxi ni so e ton a me na car kase I can sell more so what I say
fast forward no ni na chi no papa na de car no e ma wo
yes enti de ko ba na say the next day na ye call papa no ho no ena or say on ni kunu na kasa. Papa no say me for 2000 amra. Na mum 2 months time no man first kana maria.
Obaje the car.
Obaje the car. Me 2k no so ahye. And I say me pay. And I'm a de car no my chairman. First time I'm a talker. First time. Man that
was
this should be around because car no it was around 209. 209, 208, 209. Yeah, there about yeah. I guess I had the car see here. 2 o'clock na my be I said car this you na na masa to man that day me I just say me who dem nyame ho enti emu driver na no cra taxi no the car na be car ni free nsem that time on the car na issues na me say masa car no man no na ya there enti the same driver na friend bra kwajo ono ana be fa Hyundai Mighty no man ne there no enti ye call sales no ba me lose na me kwa sika nka say me fa 50 bags 3 cedi 50 pesos any 50 bags so but car so timi fa be 500 bags so I was saving that transport sika no for taxi no
mincho no satam na mu use manpower na
use manpower na na day and night e boy juma so what I say enti within 1.5 months na my rate 4,000 boss jiusika
say car na opese wo nya because wa call ground so we say without the car no you can't make it
perfect timinya ene within 1.5 months pe 2 months na ndu 4k na me da man boko ananka ya no so masa ya fire sa then I was able to buy the foreign machine first foreign machine koyo first one and I made tobacco within a space of 8 months na ma to carry no back because na me hear the same thing say car no cover me sales na me the tax network so I saved
we are be there savings
so I was saving for the vehicle the car no I consider me the car na rent company no so what I say it is a car no cover nso no sound and sound my father say nya me car e obi there enti enka me ko hire enka he na metua matia to so I was saving enough for the car enti me to Kia Rhino that time I need 8 months and I me to Kia go to me then everything started unfolding gidi
all started with the pure water and sun K.Monsi nankasa no eba me buy me ko factory ho me hu say wo ho wa so reflectors a wo ho a wo hwema bibia ye den e ko kama ka wo bi kura ka be jaman omo a wa fa mo so mo nya adwuma no but wo ankasa e wo ho a mo hwe se bibia be den e be ko so kama aden
o say K.Monsi na ye no you fast so many stages muna ya dia ensa no and I have to make sure say start stage no oma fa ni nyina mu obi wa ha German who say that quality assurance no I say me making sure say we meet that mark no so what I say enti I say me wo ho na me hu say every stage bia no the just omo ye bia no omo ye receiving the helps making sure the helps na ye baba ye hu adwuma no defect bia enim everything is okay. Then the next stage, ya wash it. The next stage, ya scaly. The next stage, ya soaky. And from the soaking to the mixing to the bottling, no. Because my formula. What I say, it is my intellectual property. Obi kwe BCC ya own nasa tasting no. They make I say Coca-Cola, Coke for omo nipa kwa in charge for that section no. Nti ho no me am e be echina bi na me ba be nya aba be suan
na was watching
na ma che no ba for na de me na me ye obetima kwa ko ye bi ba wonya taste na me nya no say de me ka watch
the nuntina de bia no person wo factory ho na hwe sa ne mani na
that honum kwa there. Just me and my dear. Nobody will do it.
Yeah, me man ko factory ho na udru ho no mu a enya sem keto akra. School for betima ba excursion ho. Ho ye neat, ho ye kama. Uhu se nduani ni factory bi ho ha obekọ a uhu se nnua ba bi kra gu ho. Nti ye bisai ho se insana ye nom no ye nim niema a omode ya na but we dey ma be hu niema a omode ye ntimitimi nom bi na me gidi se wonom so a emfa o haw bia emrew yensanko eye me ba ma san hu se wa ye eye aduro eno so K.Monsi heba Mr. eno so juma ben ani anase yare ben na esa se nipa ye nom a
okay me that's it so the medical kan no K.Monsi bi test no eno ensan wo mu waist pains pass koko menstrual problems ngina esa na eni hina na ye no monsa obi wa ha ono monsa obi wa ha oye muslim oye sofo obi wa kwa ya chininsa enti ne ewo adanse dia na efri K.Monsi bi test mu eba amanfo ye no mo adanse ya omode ba nsema omo kan fa ho se ado ya tese wo no mo ayese ensan enso ensan wo mu nti ya no mo nsa no den na mo ba ya ma yen eti me team no tena say no then we have to bring out another one I don't know ensan enim any for the K.Monsi herbal mixture and also ye Mampong Center Research Plant Medicine eko FDA ama ye samples eko ho mo ko test ye ama mpa omo je to mo say K.Monsi herbal mixture no esa yare we waist pains sexual weakness menstrual problems pass koko ni nyina eboa constipation na yam team nyina eboa ema no so mo my approval from center ne FDA for my approval no so edwaman so say eno kwa dia asako achikura achen akwa ni mukura achen nsa no eno be ka say Ghana ha ba bia ni wa akwa unya bi e ba bia insanity
Obono obobo yare esawe adena mo amo enua endru no A.K.A Kobra say unum adru we a ebesa yare ahora bebre but broni de ne de ya entisa adentia.
You are 100% right. Yet ye me na me patron and a researcher Emma Traditional Healers Association the whole of Oti region. Ti de work na no kre yo bibiduro nu ba ko almost ebesa jarebe 20. Okay, mon share this so obroni ka say pains say bia pains adro say pains what does it pains painkiller pain adro me pa cho fa bra twi mu pain no be kan say
ahoyaya
enti bibini adro no obe che say onomo a uti pa wa be de ebeko usisi o ya be de ebeko ona o ya be de ebeko boboni de what kind of ones pains
say okotodwe say ye uti say
ni na e pains ba obidi ni oton a obe che say wona ye wo ya ebesa usisi o ya be de ebesa obe o ya be de ebesa ntinu e na ma bi before no ye de akoye say ye bebre no ba nya sa na ye de eti sanity
Matias me na me senga bi ya be ka say enua no dos enua na makaga bomu bebre ni ntinu ebia wo na djuma eye
bia wa djuma eye all right there but now ka say adentina before no ado ba kwa say ya bebre and I make sure say ni na so your English brofo pains here pain one word body pains general pains what that here and no and sana oba ye twi kasa ni mu a sisi ya say pains uti ya pains jongo ya say pains mensa ya say pains but K.Monsi adro no ye de nua nsia ana ya kambum ana bia so wo juma edi so what does it ye wo de ema menstrual flow and they say ye ntwa obra ana ye yi wum mu ye fa onko hospital enko yi wum ana ye ntwa obra na ye yare nko an ye wo ye den the blood will flow ɛne deɛ ana unya nu monopause time here unya no nkwa na ɛbɛba it will flow ye we no wɔ hɔ ye de ye stomach uyem ayem ye obasa o ha uyem nkwa uyem onom amasa trust me ɛbɛkɔ ye obi a constipation ache no or people at least I say timi do na once a day at least once a day oko twice anya bad but at least once a day obi ha two no nya na e o se me the sana mete oboa onom K.Monsi bitesa ana K.Monsi ba me trust me onom ya me ma 2 days you start obeko maximum of 2 days baba
eno ntina e wo se obia nom K.Monsi ana
yeah enti K.Monsi heba mixture K.Monsi bites onom a obenya benefit bebre
ma ho se amanya kure ekura da ho se bi enso sa but ekura efeyi pa ekuru so a obamu a omo wote kuru num mrantie mabawa nkokura mrewa obi wote kuru mu no obamu a omo wonigi omo wonigi a ho so ya brantie a wo kuru mu ha wabibie sa adwuma kese factory kese ewa hayi eden na kuru no mfaso ben na kuru no anya free sa adwuma na mfaso ben na kuru no anya free ho
mfaso no de bebre adwuma no nko ankra ya bebie wa ha no kra makro no kra din kra ekwachi ofa lebo ofa nsana na ofa nso na ofa ado na omhwa tapa amanya otirogin eno nko makro no kra din de ben ekwachi eno achi ya create employment the youth are working what does here eno achi omo krom omo ton ye product no so no omo nya ho mfaso shops no omo ton krom a create employment ama omo said they make what does here in so many ways eno achi so ye wo K.Monsi educational fund afibia ye bi ema kro no last year ye see school dan ema omo 3 classroom block almost 750,000 Ghana cedi.
Abusa samo hwa mo hwe mfidie pictures ni videos e twagu ya eye school na yeru ano ka wasem no eno na muguso a mo hwe no why
enti emebina me twam ana me hu se school nkala no mo ti duase ni edan bi ya mabọ no basa na me se tapa manya RC primary school ye KG blog ni ana mo se na me se o na nkola da acho omo ba be nyini ababe president ni we no education no the foundation say weaker ana dan be de ben ebe dwure agu school nyina na akola na say otimi nya good foundation from KG sa be si class 6 JHS now is stronger but be no obekwa otimi nyai so that in terms no then as a company no as part of our social corporate responsibilities and I say me baby the many team na say also no let's do it so we met the father Manti since school primary RC school Catholic school tie home bishop no in charge no and on my land no and you see school amama ye the amama obi ani age the community ni there they are benefiting a lot per Emma.
The school no Musi how many classrooms mat me asi
a KG block it's a nursery KG1 KG2 then class 1 so what I say
so be sure no free amanya kremu no wo Ghana haba bia no so awabrochira asem na me ka kire so no so beba no krum no so bibi go ho a de beye aboako na makro no atumpon asem na betimi aka kire safo no
well me but I na esi mani so before me back room one who say ye nyina nim no mo na kwa say onyi kakra we free room akọ big city chrome so what I say obia move no urban rural migration to obia move from the village eko ne chrome what I say the big city but me say me hear the reverse okona eyeye wo homawa you have to come back and help the community. So what manone or Accra na miato nsema come think of something planning bibi na bayama ukro so what I say we have to develop. Yana yebe develop ye crew. Obi no up baba ya mayen. It is yana ye baba ye. So what I say. And you can say, hey mawa, and now who should skill be a bra. Na fa be impart the youth of your community. Yeah.
Busamati, sapepepe. Oko na mawa brefie. What I say, brefie na baby ma omunso a ewu fi no. Omuhu ni awo ye kura na. Omunso beti ma ye nkinya won. No mo so atimi aye bi dachi. Because me wura yotie me jimi say o role models be brave krom ha omunso di nachi a omunso tututu na mo omunso beti ma yi amomo dachi. Ma won say festival so be brave wo ha wodi hu jim pa me dem nimbi. Festival be brave wo ha wodi hu jim boa ma festival no etumpon aden na wo ho a wo pese wo de ho hye niema bi musa ema krobia nso a ewo area ha no hu se ye K.Monsi nie
K.Monsi se de meka ya eye otifo ajapade voter for japade Ghana man nyina wiase nyina ajapade ba bia ye free no se ye boa nti se ya bia nyuma se na se rara for AD akwantu tintin festival a se ye ko na ye ko tamu achi what I say na ye boa na fashion na be krabehwe eti ye boa at the same time so ye market ye product ye ton ye ho ibia na obi free Kumasi aba rara onti K.Monsi de ensa be o ye rara amanya wow na wa to bia ye de be akọ okọ no tra mo fa benya de be emra ho na obie wa tabamu me ka say obi ba ye won kwanta de ma K.Monsi ko Kumasi na me ka tro no obi ba ye won kwanta na nsan ewo nkwanta na K.Monsi no bia no okoye no otobi koye ano frame so hia bi and ye tuka e ko Kumasi ko pe shops e ko Kumasi and K.Monsi e ko Kumasi ti we yes na na obo ma nsa no na you want so etre ko achi amanfo ehun yeah
na K.Monsi no odi bia ba ma me so na eti na K.Monsi abusia ma me so abusia K.Monsi bites ni o we na ye kan ho asem no eye come me hwe band no so ahu se bibia da din kama na ba ko no so we de ma me fancy a me kwa me de beko
we na ensa enimu no to you obi a onnom nsa wo die nie the same ingredient the same purpose the ebe na eno na we so ebe onnom nsa dia na wanu ba wo twa bi se de me ameti me twa bi dia
so se me twa bi
yeah. Now one thing about K.Monsi be testing say there nsa omu no bacho family we ni say nsa ana ye de aye ba nua hini aduro ewom nti wonom a ebe o say nsa ebe o say aduro kwato wo ti aban no wo ti nua no wo ti nua hini ni ewom na wonom so ebe ye wo adwuma ebe siesie o ama mind flames koko bia constipation bon say yes me no amafo bia obi madam bi wo ekwapem yeah o say at the age of 21 wadi 20 years I want to mabiem the message me it me jabe 8 months na baba ko the whole year na baba ko pe emu ana baba 3 months na jai enti nikunu na eto K.Monsi bites ana omutu no ka hweye omo no ye adachi ma me na bleed si bi ka fra amanimu ma me na bleed 3 days non stop ana bleeding no eja ye 1 month ana the message eba pepepe o flow 5-6 days the following month I flow the same time the same day I feel about for 4 months. And only could share but wanyama wo amakra o to ni K.Monsi o ma frɛ me ama matuka free amanya akɔ ekwapem akɔ hu baby no K.Monsi bebre ama for nkwanta kpasa ama abo ama wo be say ye yi wum And now yenchawa war. Nkwa dear. Forget it. Bema sebi impredu asa. Odo banada. Bema sebi impredu asa. Okwa na wa bofom ontimi enyina so nche. Bema wo mo adwuma. Mesrew. Si yentwa wo bema no mfiri ho nkwa de a.
Hu a yentwa video de hu a.
Ye bono mrane onyane mema. K.Monsi bites wo se onyane mema. Bema na da se den. Obenyane no. Now one good thing about K.Monsi, oh no more. Fana say woni oyere ana mo girlfriend na bibia wie na fana say bia waba onche mada. My ba ko be 8:30 9 10 11 mada no. Ah na for mada no. Between 2 and 3. Oh hana sha say ASA. Boss. Na sa time no nyane wa Juma obe born a chain first one away no.
Agenti mu adwuma yi.
You friend say K.Monsi bit. O say onyane mema. K.Monsi bit enyane mema. So that.
Nti now no maybe say a photo be na de be ma eye emrante ene mmaba because adwuma they starting na o can say one funny easy e wo abrabonum nti a photo be na de be ma eye emrante ne ma a mokrumu ane mo wiase afana ni na
sisi a wiase na yewo mu no minimum I don't know the cause sisi a the youth of today want to get rich faster quick but entisa I say I'm pentem I niema so what I say I'm pentem sisi a bese oye unya fa na adwuma mu enne ya pe sisi ya bese ona obeye pe but trust me Kwame despite what you are seeing right now despite kwekoti enne the omo ye enne no almost shall say 25-30 years ago. So you are seeing the end result, not the struggle. The struggle, no, time all struggle, you were nowhere to be found. So what you are seeing them doing now is the end result of the struggle. In secrecy, I will be anya the but ne ofu badwuma no ono on person obetie say be a struggle. Or person or enjoy. But trust me, there is no shortcut in life. There is no shortcut. Pass through the mill, pass through the process. Famu, experience is end. As a unya experience. Well, if you can be a good servant, you can be a good master. A good servant and a good master. There's this saying, say, A.K.A Kobra who say oye adwuma nne no na oya brantia na order some years back. Let me come out say A.K.A who say nne oye adwuma na order nne no da bi oye adwuma nne no so wanyini oya A.K.A I think I would do pension sika but you are still working. A.K.A for 80 years ogusu he was once a young man who was lazy. You get it?
I said, "What one sham to two near me?"
And then I know 80 old. I said, "I would do pension." So what I say, and there's no shortcut in life. The must you to know. Pass through the process. Rome was not built in a day. Experience, you have to learn under somebody. This is what the youth of Ghana know. Learn under somebody. Pass through the process. Gather all the patience. So that actually you know who got the experience now, then you can make it. So what I say, and not for forgetting, you can't succeed just like that, sir. You have to either have a product or a service, or a skill. So what the way is a skill. You are being paid for this, and I'm boy. Good. This is a product. I am being paid for this. MTN is giving us a service. I pay for data. A service. I don't see data with my eye. Yeah. Do you see data with your eyes? No. But say a service rendered. Yeah. Perfect. Obiko Hospital. Doctor. advice. Doctor I don't always senior about doctor, and the government is paying the doctor for giving you that service of health delivery. As it stands now, see I make ticket my bus and air my service. I'm paying for the driver, the car owner, by transporting me from here to Amanya. So now it's either you provide a service or you bear product. So what I say, that is where you can make money. You can make money just like that, sir.
But just me no ever we but me say me I am your busian can busian musem. Wa worry.
Me ba chon.
O ma do we.
Me my 4.
4 no ye.
Me ba chon me my 4.
My 4. Busian. O se wa worry. Ni my 4. Ntu ba abante na worry. Eno ano no.
O say me no so the medical kan na. Me traditionalist. Me Nyankopon di pa me Roman swini ye fie na me kan na me nananom ye herbal nti ye dia aware dodo de enye ye chiwa de
nti aware dodo de
eye pa
aware dodo ye
it is very good
dentia
say man ankasa nipa bema nipa we were created to have many wives, not one.
Adentia.
Sana nakopo bono.
Na se woni ho akande ana se wo ho akande nti na aka na sa na se
me anjina me kasa. Bema bia waware back on. Well, it is your belief system. It is not good. Men ka say enye. And now GD. And waware back. Fine, fair enough. What I say. But me chance James bema bia no so waware back. At least 2 or 3. So obeti ma hwe omon kwa dia.
I want me pese wo ba.
Men ko for obi ba ento so. Na em komonya de ben de no. Say what there's capacity, the strength, the whatever to take your, why not worry as many as you can. So obeti mi kwa dia. O worry so o worry for so make sure say obehwe obi equally. Don't cause I find my worry new anti. By the time first one, and the make sure say they are all okay. Though be are the same, so between me even in the Bible, Master David, tell me, then.
So who say Bible mko omo nyankopon Paul masemo no. Oh yes. Nti na uka no me ye di kakra.
So between me ahwe omo kwa da hwe omo. It is not a sin to have many. No, it is not a sin to have many wives. It is never a sin.
This year, Bible Twaba. November, Bible Twaba. And December 7th, the Bible Twaba. Then now, we do to the then I'll be catching you to know about Abaya Bible Twin.
Well, me as a businessman, I don't do politics. But it is your right to vote. The time also, now, whoever you want to vote for, no. You do just cast your vote peacefully and go home. Don't stand there. Don't fight. Don't do any confusion. Don't cause any route. No. Just go home. So about my NDC, I told my NDC. So about my MPP, I told my MPP. So about to my cheddar. Me, I'm a Alan Tomano. About my Donkwa Tomano. Whoever you want to vote for, vote peacefully and go back to your home. Don't stay there for long. Don't cause any idea. Just go there. As a businessman, I don't do politics. Yeah.
Bibi wo ma misa opese wo de kan.
Well, I'm so happy say obaye na wama me akwanya we. Say menka something small about myself, who I am, how I started, how far I've come in life. They make come want to say nyame aboaye yegusu kaka. We've not gotten there yet, but we are on the way.
We no insano eya o mesho to ntino eya me enko because idea yam nante no ye de je ho ba me mete wase nnuana a wo de no
nnuana jere yansana. Before I can produce K.Monsi bitters, the whole process will take like 14 days because ye use ennua ehini ntino omo di one say yes soaky na yenya extract no for 7 days. What I say, na ya blend it another days bottling be at least 14 days and then make me answer. So I produce twice a month. What I say?
But yes, what to but the said yeah. I said then I'm in the mouse say yeah, man say no bin ka say onye bi ento.
What say? Meti me say meti me akọ chemicals bi a enyo a mix e de alcohol a wono. Meton de bi ana abu so bebre na meton. Uno mo unya the benefit no. Because I don't want to compromise anything. I am still using my herbs to make sure say e ho nya ye den de e be present na wanya ba unya so a ono mo quality.
Why na say a month no say bia 1,000 na obe produce a because of using nuane no onya more than that so na be ya obe compromising.
Sure. There are so many bitters. So I mean modding. Plenty alcohol, water, flavor, and herbs. Herbs are new. Fake herb, make it fake artificial flavor. A bitter flavor. And herbs no masoki. Any baby will market. Ono man amount liver problem, kidney problem, so many issues. But when they herbs and alcohol also form.
Yeah.
Also my form pa. Inti eyo efa slow no na eyo ho adwuma. Obi anu a wanom K.Monsi we first 10 minutes obe sweat it. You sweat. Yeah. You sweat right now. So what I say. So I don't want to compromise with the quality. Inti unya bia so modern.
Na ebi betum so anu atowi.
Atowi no anom.
Abusa ye den komo no ebi si a ye ni King Kobra. Francis Wafari. And name din komo no. Abusu wa on subscribe ye no subscribe OTTV na name bi say jumadi bi say na ye de bebre mo anti no na mia doma na wono na mia so se na ye post bibia so obunya bi no ahwe medamo ase.